discussing what an enlarged prostate is and how to treat it conveniently from the convenience of your home. You might want to ask, what is a benign prostate hypertrophy (BHP)? Enlarged prostate or benign prostatic hyperplasia is a condition that is commonly affect men as they get older. High level of testosterone and DHT cause cells in the prostate gland to multiply, eventually creating an enlargement that puts pressure on the urethra. Prostate is a gland that produces a fluid that carries sperm during ejaculation. It surrounds the urethra through which the urine passes out of the body. So when prostate gland enlarges, it presses upon the urethra and causes urination and bladder problem. Prostate gets enlarged in old age. The etiology is known, but researches have shown that testes might be the cause. The experiments which were done include that a person who removed the testes in young age didn't suffer from BHP. Prostate enlargement is not as much as problem if you contain it and it does not enlarge further. But if you are in your 60s, then you are more likely to have symptoms. If it's the early case, then lifestyle changes can make you feel better. People suffering from prostate cancer also live quite long without any problem as such. It is basically fluid that plays roles either to increase it or to contain it. It might even reduce in pain, size, and in a few cases. Surgery can be dangerous, especially for people having other conditions and age. Treatment depends upon how many symptoms are or how much your prostate bothers you. Simple changes in your lifestyle and some home remedies for enlarged prostate can go a long way in helping you cope with and eventually potentially relieve an enlarged prostate. Here are some tips which you can take for living a good and long life without problem. Drink less alcohol and caffeine. These drinks cause you to produce more urine and irritate the bladder. Limit your drinking in the evening. This is what keeps you from having to get up at midnight to pee. However, still make sure that you drink enough water throughout the day. Avoid alcohol and caffeine after dinner. Limit your antihistamine and the congestant, which can often contain ingredient that tightens the muscle around the urethra that controls urine flow and make it harder to urinate. Go when you need to. Wait too long to urinate only stretches the bladder, causes damage and increase the risk of urinary tract infection. Schedule your bathroom visit to essential train your bladder to go at certain times. You may also find it helpful to take prostate supplement can help you support a healthy prostate and urinary tract. Urinate immediately you get there. Don't drink a lot of fluid all at once. Avoid drinking fluid 2 hours before the bedtime. Try not to take over the counter oats and sinus medicine which contain nasal decongestant and antihistamine. These drugs can increase the BPH symptoms. Keep warm and exercise regularly. Staying cold and not exercising can actually worsen the symptoms. Stay stress-free. Strictly no sugar and dairy. Avoid refined and carbohydrate. Keep your gut flora good by taking probiotics. Take healthy fats from nuts and seeds. Eat vegetables, a lot of them all the time. Take citrus fruit and avoid the sweet ones. Do not eat a lot of them anyway. Sunbathe is something which you can't miss. Probably this is one of the things that can help you the most. Vitamin D deficiency is intimately likely with cancer. An American herb called the saw palmetto is one of the best and most effective medicine for prostate enlargement, and in almost 80% of the people with such case find relief. I suggest you get an herb rather than the capsule. Also, do not neglect diet as without nothing will help, and take some walk daily. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new video from us. Comment, like, share and also subscribe. See you next time.